Alright, we're in the gauntlet. Don't bump my camera. Alright, paddle left. Hit it just perfect.
Will Crystal fall out of the boat? Will the Outland photographer hit her in the head with his paddle? Will the world ever achieve peace, love, and harmony? One thing's for certain, all of these questions will not be revealed in this vlog, but Crystal's fate will be, so stay tuned.
Alright, we have made it to Natahalia Outdoor Center, where we have a lot of outdoor activity. Everything from kids on swings to kayakers to slackliners. This is all at the Natahalia Outdoor Center. Check it out. Alright, we made it to the Natahalia Outdoor Center here. Getting ready to unload the raft, get on one of those buses, head upstream 8 miles, ride this baby. Let's do it. All right, Joe back here. We are here at the top, at the bottom of the gauntlet. What we'll be doing tomorrow. And it looks mean and green, but it's actually quite nice. As long as you know how to hit it. You gotta hit it when we're up here, down this side, and then angle this way. If we hit it through that gauntlet and that, it's turnover time most likely. So you want to ride it over there and then come in that way. But when you hit that right there, your boat will just almost flip, you know, it'll go way up in the air. It's a fun gauntlet. It's Crystal's first ride. What do you think?
All right, I'm on it.
She's ready. And so are we.
Got it.
Alright, we're here at the desk where you sign up to go river rafting. And there's an official form we have to sign saying we will not hold them liable of any accident that we may or may not have on the river. Get on the blue bus. We're at the Natahalia, fixing to ride on the bus 8 miles upstream to enter the mighty Natahalia River. We have all of our GoPros, and we've got a group coming out that's going to join us. They will be doing the rafts, and we will be independently riding. So let's get ready to ride. All right, we have entered the mighty Natahalia River with a lot of paddlers. We'll scope around and see if we can get them in frame. Crystal's first time down this river. We're fixing to get wet. Here's the span of the paddlers, if you can see them behind me there. A lot of paddlers with us today on the mighty Natahalia River. a big bowl. Right into it. Hang on. Oh! Woo! That was cold! Oh my Lord! I am soaking wet. Woohoo! Natahalia! We've got a lot of boats in the river. I'm taking a snack break and a drink break. I've got me a body armor, a health drink that was sold at the store down in the way. We're watching some boaters go past. This is where they always take a break. And I pulled over here on the other side so I could get a good shot of some boaters at play. Lots of kids on this ride. I got it. Coming to music. Hello, fellow paddlers. What's up? Paddle left. Woo! Another gauntlet made. GoPros are there?
Yeah, we got
Isn't it?
two. We'll stop here. There you go.
Alright guys, 2 forward. 1,
Well, we got to wait for them.
3, right side forward.
Twice as fast as they are. Woo! I've never done this.
Woo!
I've never done that.
Your turn.
This one's all you! Oh, you beat me! I think there's some rockets. What's up, guys?
Yeah.
Are you selling photos?
No.
Well, here's the cost.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't do it.
Yeah, he did.
Okay, we are at the famous Pizza by the River joint here on the Natahalia River. We've got washer toss, an eclectic place to eat your pizza, and realistically some of the best pizza on the river. I have eaten at this pizza joint every time I've went down the Natahalia for the last, hey, we got a what up from the chef. But I have eaten at this pizza joint for at least 12 years. Every time I come down the Natahalia, I eat at this famous eclectic pizza joint. Alright, the famous pizza from the Pizza by the River. Fixing to chow down. Let's give it hell. Paddle left. Alright, stop. Paddle left. Another gauntlet made. Gotcha! I gotcha! It was by accident.
Yeah.
We're getting sucked back into the current! We've got to go! We're gonna get a whirlpool! Oh shit, I'm fucking my camera with my oar. I said it hit it. You can't hurt a GoPro. That is a beautiful cabin. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful cabins here on the Natahalia River. People are living in paradise, watching a bunch of hippies go downstream. Oh!
Your turn.
This one's on you.
Oh!
Alright, we're in the gauntlet. Don't bump my camera. Hit it just perfect. Woo! Paddle left.